we are group 1. On this video, I'm doing assignment how to ride a motorbike or motorcycle. For the tools, you must have a motor key, and a motorbike. For the step, number 1 is you must have motorbike, like I said. Step number 2, sit relax and had a good position. Step number 3, put the keys on the key shutter. Number 4, turn this key to on. Remove the standard. Pull gas fully and ride.
Guys.
And that's how to ride a motorcycle. And I'm so sorry if there was many mistake on this video. I'm still learning how to do assignment video, so I'm sorry if there are wrong word that I